Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fragile charms unbreakable. First, carefully examine your charm to understand its material and identify any existing weak points. Next, ensure the charm is completely clean and dry. This is crucial for any protective layer to adhere properly. Finally, gather all your supplies, such as a 2-part epoxy resin, a clear sealant, or a strong jewelry adhesive, depending on your chosen method. Now, let's explore reinforcement options. A popular method is applying a clear resin coating, which creates a hard, protective shell around the charm. Alternatively, a flexible sealant can offer excellent resistance against impacts and bending, especially for charms that might flex. For charms needing significant structural integrity, consider adding a thin metal backing, carefully secured with a strong adhesive. When applying your chosen reinforcement, precision is key. Ensure an even, thin layer covers the entire charm, avoiding excess buildup that could obscure details. If using resin, follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing and curing times, often around 24 hours. For multiple layers, allow each to fully cure before applying the next. A small brush or toothpick helps with intricate areas. After your charm is fully cured, you can gently buff any rough edges for a smooth, professional finish. To maintain its strength, store your reinforced charms in a way that prevents them from rubbing against other hard objects. Depending on wear and tear, consider reapplying a thin protective layer every few years to ensure your cherished charms remain beautiful and unbreakable for a very long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.